And if you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell so you'll never miss a video. And today is all about the lookbook. I have my red bags. So if you're new here, when you see me have red bags in the video, that means I have some fashion pieces to show you. So definitely stay tuned if you're interested to see what's in these red bags. Okay, so if you are new here, I am partnered with Astrology Trendz, and it is a Zodiac and astrology based company that's centered around fashion like this. This is actually one of the shirts that Astrology Trendz created, as well as this necklace that you're seeing and these earrings. So these are just a few things that you can look forward to if you shop at astrologytrendz.com and use my ANIASADE discount code to get a percentage off. But all these pieces I'm very excited about. I have not opened these bags, so I will be looking through them and seeing them for the first time with you. So let's dig in. All right, so let's dig in, and I have some notes here just to make sure that I lead you in the right direction. And actually, this first batch items won't be available to hit the website until March 19th. So definitely you want to be following me on ANIASADE Instagram account, because that's when I'll let you know when anything hits the website and everything. And also, the CEO is my aunt, so I definitely know the ins and outs of when things hit from partnership perspective, as well as underneath. So I also know even more of certain things. And what I'm about to do is just break down different items and let you know exactly if they're custom, because she does make custom pieces, and custom considers a certain kind of color that's different than the original shirt that would be on the site. So it could be a different color. For example, it could be a shirt like this is just a regular shirt, but maybe adding a certain color to it, or even glitter, and that would consider a custom. So custom is more, but she does do custom shirts. You can still use my discount code if you like to get a percentage off of custom shirts as well, or you can get a shirt that is just regularly on the site as is and still use my discount code ANIASADE10. But I'm going to let you know if these shirts are custom or if they're not as well, so you can be prepared when you choose to go look and buy it. I also have some jewelry. So when she sends jewelry, because her company, again, is a fashion-based company centered around astrology and zodiac signs. So she does make jewelry, and I'm a Cancer, by the way. So I get a lot of Cancer, so you're gonna see a lot of Cancer in this back in these different packages. But she makes Cancer necklaces. This is I believe it's the white gold leathered, Zodiac leathered necklace. I believe these are the stud Zodiac silver earrings in Cancer. But I'll have everything in the description box below if you're interested in what I'm wearing right now, as well as all of these items. But again, these items that I'm about to show you will not be on the website until next week, which is, I believe it's March. I'll have everything on the description box below, but I believe it's the 19th. Yeah, the 19th. But this is how she packages her jewelry. She has an awesome little box, and then she puts a red string around and ties it up. I think that's just awesome. I'm all about details, and certain things like that matters to me. So it's considered a new item, which is why it's not going to be on the website till next week. And this is a white V-neck printing gold glitter. The price mark for this is $18.99, and this is a regular shirt, so it's not custom. This will come as is. You will be able to buy this as is with the gold glitter. And these are the gold stud Cancer earrings. They look exactly like the silver ones I have in my ear right now. So these are the gold ones. So if you like the silver, you have the silver option. You like the gold, you can have the gold option. Silver, which I thought is really pretty. So if you are someone that likes to wear silver and silver and glitter at that, this would be your awesome alternative. So that is really pretty, and it is a white V-neck dripping silver glitter, and it will be $18.99. It is considered the regular shirt, so it's not custom, so it'll be regularly $18.99. Again, if you want to make it custom, such as add a different color glitter, then you can definitely let her know and have that option done, and so use my discount. They are in these little bags. I feel like it's really awesome to be so secure, especially in today's day and age. New item, like I said, will be available next week, and this is called the Birthstone Zodiac shirt, and this is retailed at $26.99, and this is not custom, so yeah, you will get it as is, but you can make it custom by adding different colored glitter and everything. But I love that. Got the little crab there, which is typically the Cancer symbol. Besides this 6 and 9 together, they look almost like a yin and yang. Okay, so this is the white V-neck Zodiac star shirt. It is retail $18.99. It is not custom and will be available March 19, 2020. All right. I love this. It's really pretty. And right here on the sleeve, she has where, oh wow, it says WW Astrology Trendz, and then it has the Cancer symbol. Now that's cute and unique. With a pretty little ribbon and string, so that's really cool. This gold pendant, this necklace in general, I feel like it's just the details that get me every time, so definitely be looking out for this. This should definitely be available, if not this week, definitely next week. Is actually retailed for $18.99, and again will be available under the I'll Be There For You shirt that is already on the site in the black background. So yes. So the next shirt is a black v-neck. It's the My Dope Zodiac shirt. It is retail for $18.99 and it is upon request. There's actually a shirt already available in a white background of this and a gold crown. But if you're interested in a black backdrop of the shirt in a silver crown, you can look on the website and see that as so. So just a preview of a possible shirt. So if it is available for market and she chooses to keep the style or does something similar, I will keep you posted. Definitely follow me on, again, ANIASADE on my Instagram account, as well as Astrology Trendz, to understand, because this is a shirt that she's still figuring out the design, but this is what she has so far. And it is my zodiac sign, which is a Cancer, as well as the year I was born, 1988. So she's still working that out, but it may be available next week. I'm seeing, okay, next night on the 19th possibly. So definitely will keep you posted if it is, but this is just a sneak peek or just for watching. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below, as well as click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And definitely look at the description box below, because that's where you'll find my social handles as well as Astrology Trendz social handles, and so you'll be to know when these different items hit the website, whether they hit the website next week, this week, or even before this point, after this point, what have you. It's better to follow us on our Instagram accounts because it's easier to be more sociable, as well as directly on her website, because then she can tell you more in detail of certain things, especially if you want any custom items that I did not show but could be considered custom. If you're interested in the items that I'm actually wearing at this very moment, you can look at my previous lookbooks where I actually show in detail of these different shirts and the different shirts that I had in that lookbook, as well as this specific shirt, as well as this necklace, as well as the earrings. So definitely check those out as well. And again, you can use my ANIASADE 10 on any of the items that I mentioned when they hit the site, as well as the items that's already on the site. But I will see you in my next video. If you have any questions, definitely comment below here, and follow me on ANIASADE on my Instagram account, and DM me for any further questions if I don't get to you as soon as I can on here. All right, bye.